this is Vanya from Chennai. Today I would like to introduce our combined board BOE. Combined board means that with dual function with both hot water supply and house heating. Now let me introduce how to option our BOE model. Now you can see here there are 4 buttons here. This is power button. You can press this button to turn on or turn off the boiler. Okay. This is the menu button. You can press this button to choose different function or different icons. And this is the temperature increase button, and this is the temperature decrease button. Okay, there you can see there are 6 icons here. This icon means for the hot water supply function, and this is for the house heating icon, and this is the heating element icon, and this icon shows the temperature difference, and this is the Wi-Fi icon, and this is the circulation pump icon. When which icon light up, that means which function or which parts are working.